Today, a jury in Virginia sided with Johnny Depp in his defamation case against his ex-wife Amber Heard. It's the culmination of a weeks-long trial that put the issue of domestic abuse in the spotlight. In the aftermath of the trial, some experts say the verdict should not discourage victims from coming forward.
Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven, by clear and convincing evidence, that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes.
After more than a dozen hours of deliberations over 3 days, Amber Heard listens to a jury rule in favor of her ex-husband Johnny Depp, agreeing he was defamed by his ex-wife's Washington Post op-ed and awarding him $15 million in damages.
He just hit me over and over and over again.
Nor have I ever struck any woman in my life.
The actress released a statement saying in part, "I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to stand up to the disproportionate power, influence, and sway of my ex-husband. I'm even more disappointed with what this verdict means for the other women. It is a setback." Kristen Fedden is one of the leading litigators of the Me Too movement and says this should not cause any victim of abuse to be hesitant to speak up.
To any domestic violence survivor who's afraid or second-guessing coming forward after seeing this verdict, to just speak to a friend. And the reason I say that is because this verdict should not define them. This verdict should not cause them to hold themselves back.
Throughout the trial, Johnny Depp seemingly won in the court of public opinion, too, with support online and in person, crowds cheering outside the courtroom for the actor.
People of the public, when they saw him testifying, they're thinking of Jack Sparrow, they're thinking of Willy Wonka, they're thinking of, Edward Scissorhands. They're not seeing necessarily Johnny Depp, the person who Amber Heard may have seen, consistent with their testimony or not.
The idea that you could face a defamation lawsuit for just sharing your own experience in public is a huge infringement upon survivors' right to free speech, and that's my primary concern about this case.
Many legal experts believe Heard will now appeal.
And while the jury awarded Johnny Depp $15 million, Virginia state law has a cap for punitive damages. The judge reduced the sum, so he will receive $10.4 million now.